Alright guys, what's up? Damn, we hype right now. The day has finally come. We're on our way to get the OBS out of the paint shop finally. The truck was ready since Monday, but unfortunately we couldn't get it because we were working. But man, I'm excited. I'm fucking excited. We're literally hauling ass. On the way. Yeah, sir. We're on the way. About to go pick up the truck. So, and finally you guys will be able to see it. It's a little dark, but we would wait till tomorrow, pero el señor ya no tiene espacio for the truck. That's mainly the reason that we're going to get it right now también, because he doesn't have room for it no more. The boy's pretty excited, so we're gonna bring y'all along and finally I get to see it. You know, it's a little bit dark outside, so it won't be too great of a reveal, but we're gonna go try and get some lighting so we can take some pictures of it, and you know, y'all could be entertained. We'll get the truck and we'll see if we can take it to some spots tonight and get some little rolling shots and stuff like that. So catch you in a bit. Peace. Alright guys, so we are pulling up to the spot. Vamos a ver qué rollo. Aquí está afuera. She creeping, boy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. God damn, guys. Yes, sir. Oh shit. Oh shit. She's creeping, boy. She creeping. Let's go, boy. Let's go. God damn, guys. She's back. She's back official. She official. Yes, sir. ¿Cómo anda? Yes, sir. ¿Todo bien?
Sí.
Qué bien. ¿Ya tiene otro proyecto o qué?
Sí, ya mandaron a pintar temprano.
Oh, qué bien.
Hola, montadora.
Scraping, boy. Yes, sir. She ready, boys. She ready from the streets. God damn. She's finally out. She's been sitting outside for some days, but she ready. What is this?
My old bumper.
She needs a wash already. Yeah, like I said, guys, the truck's been sitting since Monday, so we didn't keep it out no more. But she's out. She's official. She's ready to roll. What's gonna happen? What's happening?
Está bueno.
Okay. Está bien.
Ahí estamos en contacto.
Okay.
Llévense la leve, no les dan la torre.
No.
Porque cuesta arreglar.
Hey.
Como un muchacho se fue al diche.
Andan alterados los cuds por eso. No, está bien. Okay. Muchísimas gracias.
Órale, pues.
Muchas gracias.
Órale.
Ahí estamos.
Cuídense.
Nos vemos, bye.
Sí, que les vaya bien.
Damn, guys. Ahí como ven la troquita. Ahorita andamos todos fodongos, pero no se jale, entonces. Hay que sacar para las troquitas, mi gente. Hay que sacar para las troquitas, ¿o no? Sí. Pero andamos bien fodongos. There it is, guys. We'll go home right now. Deja que le den. You good? Let's go see what's up, guys. What happened?
It sounded like something fell.
Nah, nothing fell. What do you mean like something hit?
I don't know.
Alright, well, nothing fell. We'll keep an eye. Alright, guys, so we are on the way home. It's pretty dark, so we're not going to be able to really get some good rolling shots right now, especially not with my tent in the car. So what we're going to go ahead and do is, you know, I'll catch you guys back when we get to the house, and then hopefully we could go somewhere, you know, we'll get a little bit more light, para que la vean bien bonita, and then we'll see you guys in. Peace. Ahí está la troquita, guys. We got it back. It's official now. Videos are about to be lit. We definitely need to hit my boy Goomer so he could polish it up for us, because that polish was not it. Alright guys, so we are making the switch. We have the wheels prepped. Boy struggling. So these wheels were originally on my truck. So my brother just took them off to ride around for a bit in them. That's the deal, guys. That's the deal. The truck is back. Woo! Yes, sir, ski. How we rode. Yes, sir. Did it die? Yeah, don't turn the key. They're gonna have to go around us.
Don't pull it. Bad contact with the ground again.
¿Es lo mismo que pasó la vez pasada?
Sí.
Dame chingo de chispas aquí. No puedo abrir el pinche cofre.
Puras fallas.
Puras fucking fallas, man. Puro yonke. Good thing we got a good mechanic, feel me? Help us out. We thought that shit was about to catch on fire. Wow. We had it open, guys. That shit was burning.
That's dope.
There's no bueno.
A little light the hammer. Puras fallas, no?
Yeah, guys, so we got it back open. Why isn't it turning on no more?
I don't know, it's just dying out.
It's dying? Yeah? You let off the gas right there? Ya está, güey. Ahí está, no te preocupes. Man, shout out that boy Daniel. Shout out that boy Daniel coming through. We had a fucking emergency. We thought we already had this problem on the truck before, and it's what happens is that the wires that are connected up to the terminals from the batteries to the battery, sometimes it'll make bad contact and it'll touch something that it's not supposed to touch. So whenever it does that, it'll start burning, and I guess like from where the heat, it had already heated up the little rubber that's around it, and it'll start touching actual wires, so it'll start burning or it'll make bad contact and the truck will turn off. So that's exactly what happened. And we had just closed the hood and we were gonna go to the mechanic's. Hood latch wouldn't open, so it was making bad contact, fucking burning. We thought the damn truck was gonna catch on fire or something. We're probably exaggerating, right? But it was throwing a lot of chispas. Not only that, we were gonna fuck up the paint. So we were like kind of in panic mode. But shout out that boy Daniel, man. Shout out Daniel coming to help us quick. He came in his truck. When we were in the middle of the fucking street, he brought his little tools that he could and he helped us open it up. So shout out Daniel, man. Want to hear a real one. But she good now. Chilling. Big chilling. Yes, sir. We're gonna go change this battery out. It's a little bit too tall, so we're gonna get a little smaller one and then see what's up. So I'll take care of that. Truck almost got on fire and shit, but yes, sir. We stay running into the damn mechanic. Yeah, guys. So the battery guy is a little bit too tall, and I think it's gonna be shifting over. So we're gonna go get a smaller one. We're gonna go back to the little battery place. So we'll bring you guys along for the ride. The mechanic behind us. Can't see shit out of these tiny ass mirrors. Who's running, Jay? Yes, sir.
right side.
That'll be perfect.
Yeah, we can just do it that way.
You think you're gonna be able to take it off? That rim didn't look too bad. That's what my brother polished. I mean, compared to the other one. We need to get those hubcaps. I ended up buying a little plate for it. So it could sit right. She was moving a little bit, so it should be fine now. What do you guys think, man? You guys liking the truck, or how'd it come out? How's it looking? Comment, let us know. Alright guys, so we are gonna come get some rolling shots for you guys. Well, not rolling shots, we're gonna come and do like a little photo shoot and you know, show you guys the parts that we got at Velocity. Let's get to the rolling, I mean to the pictures, and then hopefully you guys like it.
Por mi gente yo respondo, por ellos ando pila. Tuve que aprenderle desde morro para andar en la movida. Les pido a mis sanjuditas y también a la marina, que cuida a mi gente y a todita la familia. De este lado laborando, que la mata siga dando. El norte side de Houston, Texas, acá radicando. Nacido en Matamoros, la mata de los malandros. El Chape Gómez se reporta con su gente por el lado gabacho generando los billetes. Desde los 12 Marín que estaba chaval, amigos son contados con los dedos de la mano. Bien bélicos, son puros carros deportivos. Me miran ruleteando por los Estados Unidos. Botellas de Bucanas, traigo aquí pura modelo. Y una bolsita larga por si acaso me desvelo. Un pase de la pata recién cortada del cuero. Me gusta la adrenalina y andar bien acelerado. Corriendo por la vena, la mente y el corazón. Que hay que disfrutar ahorita y a descansar el panteón. La dura en V8 RT se ve chingón. Nomás pisando el gas se acelera y está cabrona. Por mi gente yo respondo, por ellos ando pila. Tuve que aprenderle desde morro para andar en la movida. Les pido a mis sanjuditas y también a la marina, que cuida a mi gente y a todita la familia. De este lado laborando, que la mata siga dando. Los vagos se van de culo con el motor de la Hemi, rugiendo por la calle con la rolita Ben Cherry. Soy hombre de familia y por mi gente yo respondo. Doy la vida por ellos, del peligro no me escondo. A mi esposa yo en el amo con el corazón.
Hola, ven guys. Man, we're pretty happy with it. I'm pretty happy with it. It's a great feeling, man. Having your truck out the shop and stuff like that. It's nothing like it, man. There's nothing like filming these videos for you guys, I swear. It's pretty lit, so get over here, get some more shots. You know, get some more little videos, and I'm gonna show you guys the parts that I got at Velocity right now, and we'll go from there, guys. So appreciate y'all like always. Man, look at it. Man, guys, so ahí está la troquita, como la ven. I think it's badass, and so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna keep going up, I promise. So I appreciate you guys watching, man, for real. How's it look, guys? Use that drop expeditiously. Here's the truck. I hope you guys like it. It's coming out pretty clean. Alright, so that's my brother's bumper. So we got the cam, we got the valve springs, long to it, baby, you know what I'm saying? Long to it. We got the Transcool. What else did we get? We got push rods. I got something else, didn't I? What else did I get? Oh, and I got the, where's the caja? The big caja. And I got the torque converter. You wanna go get it? There it is, guys. That's the end of the video. Man, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys liking everything we're doing with the trucks. Man, I appreciate all you guys for watching. Ahí va quedando la Mamaluski. I look bad. Look badass. Let me know what y'all think, man. Run up the video, man. Like it, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share with everybody. Like I said, we got another build coming soon, and we got a lot of stuff to do to this one still. You know, there's gonna come a time, pero it is what it is, and you know, we'll get it done with time. Ahí van las cosas. Sigan mirando los videos, sigan dándole like, compártenlo con sus amigos. Diles que lo vayan a mirar si les gustan. You know, muchas gracias y muchas gracias por el apoyo. Ahí si nos miran, nos dicen y cualquier cosa. Also, we got the merch coming soon. We got the merch coming soon, guys. We got the merch coming soon. I know I ain't rocking no merch right now, but I got it soon. We're gonna have it real soon.